Bago paanggarin yung sasakyan, check mo muna yung langis. Yan. Good driver always check the engine oil, the water of the car before you start. So, marami pa siya, guys. Kasi ang buhay ng sasakyan langis, tubig. So good naman yung langis niya.